Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today we are going to be looking at two limited edition products. The first is our Captivating Cat Eyes Luxe Beauty Box. So this is only found in Canada. So if you're in the States and you're looking for it, you probably won't be able to find it. But these are amazing. These are coming out, have been coming out once a quarter, and it's like one of those subscription boxes, which is just amazing. So this is a super cute magnetic box that you can use for whatever. And then when you open it up, this is what's in it. There's a little brochure called Captivating Cat Eyes, and that actually gives you step-by-step instructions for what we're looking at here, which is cat eyes, which is awesome, super exciting. And then as you open it up, there are some products there. So it comes with our Time-Wise 3D Age Minimize Eye Cream, which is awesome. I'll tell you about this in a little bit. You get our cream eye color brush, our Lash Intensity Mascara, our liquid eyeliner pen, which is waterproof. Thank you very much. That means those cat eyes are not going to disappear in our hot, humid summers. And our liquid eyeshadow, which is also amazing. So that is what comes in your Luxe Beauty Box, Captivating Cat Eyes. So let's start, and then I'm also going to talk about our lip kit. So this is also limited edition. This is actually brought out for International Women's Day that just passed, but it is amazing. There is a color combination in pink and one in nude. This is the one for nude. We'll be using this too. It is super cute. It comes with a lip liner and lipstick to match. The lip liner is a little bit bigger than our regular lip liner, which is a bonus. Super pretty color, so I'll be using that as well today. So let's get started with our Captivating Cat Eyes. So first of all, I'm going to be just applying a little bit of our 3D Age Minimize Eye Cream. This is awesome. So you can get it on its own or with our Miracle Set 3D. It has age-fighting ingredients in it. Okay, so it's going to do a lot of things for your eyes. You can use it once a day or twice a day. Obviously, once a day if you're a little more cost conscious, and twice a day if you want to see more results faster. So however you want to do that, I'll tell you, I am a believer, so I definitely use it twice a day. So just a little bit, you need very little bit of this. That's probably even too much on its own. And I like to use my ring finger. If you don't know this, your ring finger is actually designed to be the weakest finger. There's less tendons that go to it, or there's some sort of medical reason behind that. But we want to be really careful with the skin around our eyes. So it is, of course, much more delicate than the skin on the rest of our face. It's kind of like tissue paper versus regular paper. So it crinkles and wrinkles really easy. So we don't want to stretch it out because it doesn't actually pull back as well as you think. It's not an elastic. So we're just going to pat and press this eye cream all over, and it's going to moisturize. So you're going to want to put it under your eye, above your eye, till it disappears. It is really cool. So age fighting means that you probably won't see immediate results, but over time you will start to see a difference in the skin around your eyes. It will reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the corners. It will keep the skin nice and firm and tight. I noticed, the biggest thing that I noticed is that I had bigger bags under my eyes, and it's totally tightened that up for me. It was probably one of the first most dramatic differences that I noticed when we switched to the 3D Miracle Set. It also has skin brighteners in it, so over time it is going to lighten up those dark circles under our eyes as well. Can't really go wrong with any of those things, so totally worth it. It will last you a long time as well. The bottle is designed twice a day use to last you between 4 and 6 months, so it's actually quite a while. It looks small, but it's got a lot of power behind it. All right, so then what we're going to do for our Captivating Cat Eyes look, we are going to use our liquid eyeshadow. These are one of my favorite shadows options. They're so simple and easy to use. This is Pink Starlight. And it comes with this little wand just like that, so super easy application. I'm just gonna put 3 dots across my eyelid like that. Then I'm going to take, we have a cream color brush for this cream eyeshadow. It's also a really great brush to use on with your concealer or under eye corrector. I have one for each, cream color and corrector and concealer. And we're just going to pat that across the lid of the eye. If you want to be really technical, I am going from the lashes up to the crease. So yeah, this liquid eyeshadow, super easy to work with. It does have some shimmer in it, which is really nice. Really, really pretty. Super easy look to just kind of pop the eyes quickly and simply. You don't have to get complicated. There are some different shades, so you can play around with a few different color combinations and applications, but this set, it comes with the pink Starlight, so we'll go with that. Now I'm going to put a little bit more on because I'm talking. It does tend to set before I can get it kind of spread where I want it. So I put a little bit more on my other eye. There we go. Much better. All right, so cat eyes. I have shown you a few different ways how to do an eyeliner cat eye, and I have a different way today. So it's worthwhile going back, taking a look at those, see what works best for you. We're going to use our liquid eyeliner pen, which is probably the easiest eyeliner that we have to do cat eyes with. It is not the one that I typically use, so I'm a little bit rough around the edges on this, so I'll do my best. I have ready at hand our oil-free eye makeup remover, so remember, it's not a tattoo. If you screw up, you can just take it off and start again. No big deal. So first we're going to very thinly line the top line. So we'll keep that. That's a good place to start. Kind of gives you a feeling of confidence when you when you get halfway through and you're like, okay, I got it. That part's done. All right. Beauty. Okay, so this is a little bit different. Usually I go up from the bottom and then connect across the top. This time, not really complicated. I'm just going to do it opposite. So my eyes are a little bit crepey already, so I'm seeing some aging in my eyes. And that is purely just because I'm getting there in age. So I'm going to pull from about halfway and draw a line from midpoint on my eyelid out and up. See? Got it? Then I'm going to pull from the corner to meet that. Looks crazy, but we are going for, I mean, you can make it as big or as little as you want, right? For dramatic effect. And then we're just going to fill it in. There you have it. That's our captivating cat eye. So try the other side. So kind of from the midpoint, straight out. And then down to the corner. Feel like that side went out a little bit more, not up so much. So you know what? Let's just take the tip of that off. So I'm going to use our eye makeup remover, shake it up. This is amazing. It actually just dissolves the eye makeup. Put some on a Q-tip because I find that's the easiest to control. Actually, as I look, they're not too bad, are they? Maybe I'll leave them. But you could just wipe it off. Well, let's do the tip. There you go. Wait for it to dry a minute. And then just angle that up a wee bit. Much nicer. Just gonna clean that up a bit. Perfect. Okay, I really like that. So, and I'm happy with it. Then we are going to use our Lash Intensity Mascara, which is ridiculous. So this wand is really special. It actually has 2 different lengths of bristles, and it creates like a well of products. So one dip will do you a lot. And essentially you want to jiggle the wand up your lashes from the base, like the roots to the tips. Jiggle it all the way up. And then we're gonna wind it, turn it, twist it up your lashes as well. Sometimes I find it easier to hold the wand in place and blink. Works for me. So I am lucky. I do have naturally curly lashes, so they tend to curl already. But if you were to curl your lashes first, you would want to do that before the mascara goes on, okay? Just for the sake of your lashes themselves. If you do after the mascara is on, then what happens is you will pull on your lashes themselves and possibly pull them out. So we want to just take the health of our lashes into consideration, curl them first, mascara applied after. Cool? All right, so that is our Captivating Cat Eye. And then we'll use our lip kit to finish off our look today. So it comes with a nude liner, which is great for any color of lipstick. Do a quick outline, and then take the lipstick and fill it in. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you learned something and had a little bit of fun. If you're interested in these products, keep in mind that the Luxe Beauty Box is sold in Canada. If you have a Mary Kay consultant, be sure to contact her. And if you don't, feel free to purchase from me in the link. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.